factors you
Ma
have to write? It's written. Wait a minute. Yes, my dear, tell me.
Ma'am, we can take out the factors or multiplied or
No,
U method.
this is the
Ma'am, I say.
multiples.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am. What
Dhruvi.
Ma'am,
is
we have to write the
8,
multiples
9,
of 7.
12,
If it is
and 12?
come in multiples of 7, so it is multiple.
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am,
simply
what's
divide
this
by
A,
49.
9 and 12 and B, 8 and 12?
Yes,
What's this A, 9 and 12 and B, 8 and 12?
I will come back on that. Now let me explain.
Ma'am, it's simple. Ma'am, it's
Yes,
simple. Divide
yes,
only.
yes.
And
If
ma'am, when the answer will came right, as there is no remainder, dash is the divisible of this.
Tejasvi,
Ma'am,
sit
dash is
properly. Tejasvi,
Ma'am,
sit
divisible.
it's the
properly.
sums of which question? What is the question of this both?
I
A
will
and B?
come back, Ishana. Okay, now will you give me time to explain you? Okay. Is the first number a multiple of second number? Easy method is we have to check whether the second number is exactly divisible. The first number is exactly divisible by the second number, right? So when you divide this 49 with the 7, if there is no remainder, so we can say that the first number is the multiple of the second number. And you can write the multiples of the second number and check whether the 49. Next method is that also. You write the multiples of the second number and check whether 49 is coming in the table of 7. If it is coming, then yes. If it is not coming, then no. But the easy method is you have to, if you check with the division, you will easily get. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Same.
ma'am.
Same check whether 81 is a multiple of 8, whether 81 is coming in the table of 8. If you divide, then if no remainder is coming, then it's not. And if you divide, if any remainder is coming, then not. And if no remainder is coming, then it's the multiple. Am I clear? Or the second method is write all the multiples of 8 and find out whether 81 is coming or not.
So, ma'am, both are right.
Both are
Right.
how?
No.
In the table of 8 is
Ma'am,
Both methods are right, ma'am.
Renu ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am,
how many
both
factors we have
method.
to? Ma'am, how many common factors?
I am coming on the next also. Jaiwal.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Dhruv.
am saying that both method are right, na?
Both methods are right. You can do with any of the method.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
ma'am, we have to write division method down only.
Yes. First, write the question fast because if you have the question, you can solve it after the class also. Children, please fast. Yes, Kanan.
Ma'am, I've come now, so you can tell me what we have to do.
Kanan, when I was explaining, you were there. You please solve these questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Second is list all the common factors of the pairs of numbers given below and write the HCF. First, you have to write all the common factors and find the HCF. First, in factors, you have to write all the factors, multiples. See, factors are limited, Jaiwal, and multiples are unlimited. So when we are asking about the factors, so you have to first write all the factors of both the numbers. Now, Ishana was asking, what is this? This is connected with this. These are the sums of question number 2. So first you have to find the factors of 9 and 12, then find the common factor and then find the HCF.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yeah, like yesterday we have done.
We have done with the multiples, yes.
Yeah, but yesterday we have done the LCM.
Yes, LCM related with the multiple, HCF related with the factors.
Ma'am,
So
can you explain question number 2 because I'm not understanding?
write all the common factors. So before finding the common factor, what you should know? You should know the factors. So first write the factors of these two numbers, then find the common factor and then find the HCF.
Renu ma'am,
Because you
your
want the
screen is
common
little
factor, you
blurred.
want the HCF also. If you want two things, you want the third thing also. First is factors, second is common factors, and then HCF. And please start doing fast. Please note down the question first so that you can do it after the class also. Because
So,
today, yes,
ma'am,
Devanshi.
we have to find the common factors, and then what we have to do HCF of
Yes. You read
which
the
number?
question. You read the question, what it is asking. You read the
Yes.
question, and the numbers are here. I have written here. I was not having the space. So I have written the numbers of these are the two questions related to question number 2, A and B. And please write the questions fast because today's your home task will be that only to complete the classwork. So first note
Renu
down the
ma'am,
questions. Yes, Swara.
ma'am, your screen is little blurred.
Ishana, no, Swara, nobody is facing the difficulty, my dear. You please log out
Actually,
and log in
no,
again.
it's fine.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
Swara, you need to wait.
So, ma'am, I have got that. First, we have to find the common factor. Then we have to give the answer.
Ma'am,
Then you have to give the HCF.
but the common factors are unlimited, na?
Factors are not unlimited. Factors are limited. Factors
So
means
we have
what?
to
You
write
have
till
to
10.
I
check.
mean, ma'am, so ma'am, we have to write. First, we have to do find the factors. Then in that, we have to find the common factors. Then we
Yes.
have to do the HCF.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the
Ma'am, in
answer.
common only one is common.
So, ma'am,
Ma'am, I got the
we have
answer.
to take the answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
excuse
got
me,
the
ma'am.
answer. Can I say?
Devanshi, children, please keep your mics off first. Manat, please put your mic off. Devanshi, before finding the common factor, what you should know? Please keep your camera on first. Devanshi, if directly I said find the common factor, will you able to find the common factors? Until you will not know the factors, will you able to find out the common factors directly? So the first step is find the factors between two numbers, and then find the common factors, and then find the HCF. You have done the full chapter. This is the practice questions, Devanshi. Please pay attention in the class from the beginning. These are the practice questions, children. You ask less question when the practice questions are given to you. It means your doubt should be clear before those practice questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have written the answer.
very good. We will check the answers tomorrow. Complete your work today.
Ma'am, Brishank is having a problem.
Yes, Rishank, tell me, my dear.
Highest common factors means for 9 to 12 factors, you should see
First,
the highest common.
you know how to find the factors,
Yes,
Rishank?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How you will find the factors of, what are the factors? First of all, tell me.
Ma'am,
What
the
do you mean by the word factor?
The factor is factors are that they the multiple the multiples question.
Multiples of
9. Ma'am, for example, 9 ones are 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9's factors are 9 and 1.
yes.
Like 9.
And yeah, so it means factor we find. With that we need to check whether that number is coming in which table, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that are the factors of the 9. Like 9, 1 is the factor of every number,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
First property is 1 is the factor of every number and the number itself also,
Yes, ma'am.
right? If example, I will erase the first question. I will explain you here. See, we have learned two methods of finding the factors. Today, I will clear your first method. We have learned with the multiplication method and the division method. So first, I will clear how to find the factors of any number by multiplication method. Wait a minute, children, 1 or 2 seconds wait, and then after that this will be clear. Madhuri ma'am, please guide me whether this is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So if I say find the factors of 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So means you have to check that 9 is coming in which numbers,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
first we start with 1. 1 into 9 equals to 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Is 9 coming in table of 2?
No.
In table of 3?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
3 threes are
9.
9. Is 9 coming in table of 4?
No.
No,
This
ma'am.
way we wait a minute, Vivan. You do your work. So this way we check till 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And before 10 also, if you see that the numbers are repeating, then also you can stop. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 9 is not coming in the table of 4, not in 5, not in 6, not in 7, not in 8. It comes directly now in
9.
9. And 9 we have already written here.
Yes, ma'am.
You write 9 ones are 9. Or it is already here. If you see, the number is repeating. So now we stop and we take a U-turn. This is called a U method of finding the factors. The multiplication method of finding the factors, right? So the
Yes,
factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So because
Yes.
3 is repeating, so we can't write 3. So 1, 3 and 9 are the factors of 9. Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. And what is the highest common factor?
First race, highest will only come when there is a comparison of two number factors.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jaival, wait.
Ma'am, I'm saying that I written 2 times 3.
I have written 2 times, that's why I told him not to repeat.
Yes, ma'am, I had done, that's why.
Okay, so the factors of if we are saying that to find the common factors, that means you have to find the factors of two numbers. Common will only come when there is a comparison of two numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I say what is the common between Rishank only, will you able to find the common in Rishank only anything?
No, ma'am.
If I say what is common in between Rishank and Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
means the comparison between two things, then you will able to find out the common things. Yes.
No,
So
ma'am.
yes. So here we will only find out the common factors when we find out the factors of two numbers. And two numbers are given in the question 9 and 12, right?
Yes,
So we have done with the factors of 9. Now we find the factors of 12. Will you find the factors of 12 and tell me?
12 ones are 12.
Ma'am, can I
Find
say?
in your write in your notebooks and find out and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
By
say?
the time, children, Ashvi, please stop presenting your screen. Ashvi,
Ashvi, Yashvi Narona.
sorry, yeah, Yashvi.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Advika and Purva has joined now. They were having some power cut problem.
I will send them the questions in the children. You please note down fast. Others children also facing the difficulty then. In 40 minutes class.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Purva Jain, mute your mic.
Yashvi, please stop presenting your screen, my dear. Ma'am, please remove this child if she is not hearing.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vrushika.
Ma'am, there is only one common factor in 9 and 12.
You write the answer. I said we will discuss the answers tomorrow.
Renu ma'am, I have removed Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, every number has more than two or more than two common factors in it, because one is of all the.
Yes. More
So
than
there
two
are
only. Now I'll erase this.
Ma'am, please don't drop the second one.
Children, very slow in writing. How you will complete then?
It is Kanan, ma'am.
Kanan, yeah, please tell me how you will complete. It's half an hour, 30 minutes. If you do only 2 questions, how you will catch up with the chapter then?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vishang, you're done with the 12?
Ma'am, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12.
1, 2, 3, 4 and
6.
5 is the factor of 12?
No, 6.
6. Then?
12.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell me which are the common factors in between 9 and 12?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2 is the common?
1, 3.
1 and 3. Now, how you will find the HCF? You take the common factors, right? Take the common factors, multiply them. 1 into 3 is?
3.
3. So, what is the HCF?
3.
Yes. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, take other numbers by yourself, find the common factors. You can do the practice by your own also. Take any numbers, right? Take any numbers, find the factors, find the common factors, find the HCF. Method will be same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I have done.
Now I'm going to erase this. Write the next question. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Here it is clearly specified that you have to use the prime factorization method and find the HCF. Vishang, I will clear your this also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So the numbers are 24 and 36. And the B sum is 9 and 21. Please write the question first because your today's home task is that only to complete the classwork. So that I can give you more questions. Please write the questions first. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. Write the questions first.
I'm finished the question.
Vishang, you done with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Your questions are written in books?
No, I written in rough book. I don't have a books right now. I'll get it
So
today or tomorrow.
make any proper notebook for the maths, right?
No,
Don't
ma'am.
write all the subjects in one notebook only. Then after that, you will face the difficulty.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the HCF by prime factorization method. First is 24 and 36, 9 and 21. Kanan, you are writing? Kanan, you are writing in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Please copy down all the questions. These are the practice questions. And children, I am going to take your this chapter CET on Friday.
Ma'am, can I drink water and come?
Yes. I am going to take CET of this chapter on Friday. I will post in the classroom also. The chapter of CET of chapter number 6 is on Friday. Am I clear to everyone? Start preparing, start practicing.
Ma'am, CT means dictation.
No, CET means chapter ending test.
Okay, ma'am.
C means chapter, E for ending, and T for test. So whenever the chapter completes, we take the CET of every chapter in the Google form. Okay. So there you will read the questions and you have to solve the questions in your rough notebook and only have to attempt the final answer in the Google form. Arush, within few seconds it will be fine.
Ma'am, in the Google form, we have to do the sum in the notebook, in the rough move, and the answer will
See, I have given many
is coming,
suggestions.
and the answer only we have to write in the Google form, right?
Jasvi, how I have given the practice of this chapter to you in the class and at home also. You were attempting the Google form, you are solving in the notebook, then writing the answers, no? Same way, same way. I'm going to erase the
Prakriti is
first
there?
line.
Renu ma'am?
Yes, Prakriti.
Yeah, I'm not able to see her on the screen, that is why. Prakriti, are you
Prakriti
there?
is there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Now I'm going to erase the first line. We have few fill in the blanks. I again request you, please write the questions first. All the multiples of 10 and with dash be the multiples of n multiples of an even number is always n dash number. Children, tomorrow you don't have maths live class. Rishank, you know tomorrow there is no live class for maths, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I'll check.
Yeah, you check the timetable. Number C, the multiple of an odd number can be an dash or an dash number. Please write fast. Tejasvi, you're writing or you're sitting? I want everyone, please write. Yes.
No, ma'am, she's writing. She's writing.
Yes. So can we discuss these three questions? Rishan, can you give me the answer of first all the multiples of 10 and with?
All the multiples multiples
You
of
first find the multiples of 10 in your brain. What are the multiples of 10?
all the multiples of 10.
Multiples, right? So what are the multiples of 10? Multiple means the table of that number. Can you please tell me the table of that 10?
10.
Yes.
10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10
So
threes are
what you notice that all the multiples of 10 end with
end with 0.
very good. Yes, all the multiples of 10 end with 0. Next question is
Ma'am, I
from
have a
Riva.
question. Ma'am, I
Ma'am, your
have a
screen
question.
is so blurred.
Wait a minute. Yes, Advika.
No, ma'am, it's not blurred.
Ma'am, we have to write in numbers or letters.
Both. Okay. Jaival, put your mic off. My next question is from Riva. The multiples of an even number is always an
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, read the second one and tell me the answer.
The multiple of an even number. 2.
I'm asking the multiples of an even number is always what? Always even or always odd? Or even or odd?
Ma'am, can I say?
Even.
Yes.
I'm
So the
done.
multiples of an even number is always an even number. Mannat, read the third one and give me the answer.
Ma'am,
I'm
can
going
I
to
tell?
erase the first and second. Please write
Ma'am,
fast. No, Mannat only give me the answer.
The multiple of an odd number can be an dash or an dash number. Can be an even or a odd number.
Very good. I'm going to erase the first one. Can I erase the first one?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the first one, it is written all the multiples of 10 end with 0. So we have
You
to
can
write
write
in
0
numbers.
in numbers also and 0 in spelling also. Number D. The seventh multiple of every number seventh multiple of every odd number
Vivan Patel, put your device on charging. You cannot give an excuse that the battery is low and this is there and this is there.
of an odd number. Yes.
Sarah, what is it?
Ma'am, can you in box?
Sarah, we are not able to hear you.
Sarah, write in the chat box. The seventh multiple of every odd number is an dash number. Number E. The fourth multiple of an odd number is an dash the fourth multiple of an odd number is an dash number. Yes, Spring. Ma'am, can you write one of fill in the blanks in the chat box? So
Ma'am, can I say the answer of first one?
Yes, tell me, Nishika.
Can I tell the answer of second one?
Sarah, it's not possible to write in the chat box and write on the board together for me.
The answer of first one is odd.
Ma'am,
Because
can I tell this
one is an odd number.
Because seventh place is the
Odd number.
Can
Because
I
yes.
odd number, if we will multiply by 7, so it will come odd.
Yes.
And second, can I tell the second now? One.
Tishana, give chance to others also.
Okay, ma'am.
Madhuri ma'am, is it possible for you to write the
Which
blank?
one? Yeah. Okay. Which one should I write? The D one.
Ask her. Yeah, from D only, ma'am. From D
Okay.
only.
Ma'am,
Sarah,
I can
Madhuri ma'am
say
is writing in the chat box. No. Next, Tejasvi. Tejasvi, yes, tell me. The fourth multiple of an odd number is an
Even number.
very good. F in 7 multiplied by 3 equals to 21. So 21 is a dash of 7 and 3. 21 is what?
multiple.
Very good.
Multiple.
Multiple. Yes.
Multiple. Ma'am, what is written after F? I.
In 7 multiplied by 3, it's not I, it's N. In 7 multiplied by 3 equals to 21. So 21 is a multiple of 7 and 3. I said no, when you multiply two numbers, the product is the multiple. And these are the factors of 21. So here if you check, what are the factors of 21? 7 and 3 are the factors of
20.
Because 21 comes in the table of 7 also, 21 comes in the table of 3 also. So these two numbers are the factors of 21 and 21 is the multiple of these two numbers. Am I clear to everyone?
Renu ma'am, just hold on, okay?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the question can come like this also, na? That label the numbers that
Yes.
7 are
Yeah.
important.
Identify which are the factors and which are the multiples.
Ma'am, how many are there?
3, 4 more are there. Chilam, yesterday I gave you some home tasks to complete some pages in your textbook. Have you completed? Show me thumbs up those who have completed.
Ma'am, completed.
I have not been that. Ma'am, your voice is making too much. Ma'am, your voice is making too much.
Okay. You all keep your mics off, then it will be fine.
Ma'am,
Sarah, no recordings will be sent, please. Sorry, Sarah.
Ma'am, I'll have to attempt this type of. Ma'am, the homework.
I will check. My dear, we will discuss day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have live class. Day after
Hello.
tomorrow we will discuss.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have put in the seventh D1 in the chat box.
Okay.
Now,
I can
Sarah, in
Ma'am?
the chat box, it is not possible to put a blank. So blank is odd. That is what I have written.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you send these types of worksheet at classroom also?
I'm sending every time you're getting, no? The Google
Yeah.
Forms and
Google form, yeah.
Sarah, I am talking to you. Sarah, are you able to understand the chat box?
ma'am, is my camera on?
Who, ma'am? Sarah?
Sarah's? Yes.
No, I am not able to see her.
The screen is blur.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, my camera is not working. That
Okay. Okay. So F, then after F, G. In 9 multiplied by 7 equals to 63. Dash and dash have 63 as their multiple. Please write what will come.
ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, what is F1? Can you read it
I will
Say.
repeat it. In 9 multiplied by 7 equals to 63, dash and dash have 63 as their multiple. So what will come here in these two dash?
Can I answer?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Advika.
can I answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
Advika, please answer.
Ma'am, 9 and 7.
Yes,
Ma'am, 9 and 7 will
9
come
and
in
7
blank.
will come in the blank. Fast. Now I'm going to write the H. Please write down fast, children. The product of 3 and 5 is also there. What? Also there dash. Yes, Anubhavi.
Ma'am, can you please take your board little bit yourself? Yes, ma'am.
The product of 3 and 5 is also there.
15.
No, the product of 3 and 5 is also there. It will call what? The product of 3 and
Multiple.
5. Yes, multiple. Number I. 3 multiples. Only last month now. 3 multiples of 5 which and with a 0 are dash dash and dash. 3 yes, Aheli. Can you give me the 3 multiples of 5 with and with 0?
Ma'am, I can say.
Aheli. If I say the child name, that child only will answer me. Yes, Aheli.
10,
Very
10,
good. Yes.
20,
Yes.
and 30.
Very good. Excellent. I'm good. Can I erase the G1? Right,
Yes.
fast, Rishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last is 3 odd multiples of 7 are dash dash and dash. Yes, Ishana, give me 3 odd multiples of 7.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 7, 21, and 35.
Very good.
I'm 49 too.
But I said 3 only.
Just 3. That's why 35.
Please complete it.
Ma'am, finish.
Tomorrow we will discuss our textbook exercises. Few topics are few exercises are left to complete it, and not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have live class. Tomorrow I will upload one Google form, attempt it.
Ma'am, complete.
Based on the revision. Very good. If you have completed, keep your mics off. So based on the what we have learned till now, I'm going to send you the Google form on the basis of revision, right? Only write the final answer. All the solutions you have to do in your notebook only, and write the final answer. Children, for yes, Friday CET, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the place
Ma'am.
of multiply sign, we can put
Ma'am,
X.
Yes, that I want to remind everyone. Children, at the place when you are finding the HCF by prime factorization, so don't put the multiply sign, because many of you will not get the how to put the multiply sign. You put the X sign in between. Preet and everyone, those who are facing the difficulty, please put the X sign. Google form will only take your X sign, because you will also don't know how to take the multiple sign.
Ma'am,
Clear?
can I class?
Yes. So our today's class is done.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when you will send the Google form, so we have to do in the notebook